Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the paper ejection rod and the paper feed rod. Oh, a happy Thanksgiving. If you cannot hear me clearly, it's not because of my accent, it's because I'm eating turkey. Okay, what's wrong with this picture? I accidentally baked the turkey upside down. So when the turkey comes out, it's looking weird. The back of turkey, mostly you get the skins and the bones. So the back of skin is crispy and it's perfect skin, and my kids love it. So I carve all the skins. They had a great time. Then they want some white meat, so I flip the turkey over. The breast still white, but however it's so juicy, absolutely juicy, and the juice just burst and the flavor bursts in your mouth, and it is melt like butter. I cannot carve the turkey fast enough for my kids this time. It's my most successful turkey ever. Okay, so next Thanksgiving I'm going to bake it intentionally upside down. Okay, my YouTube video is free, so don't complain. You have to listen to my turkey story before I show you how to fix your printer. If you complain next time, I'm going to tell you the story about my 5 kidney stones. Actually, I named them. The first stone names, just kidding. Anyway, so you get a dental tool or like something. We need to remove this spring. There's no way you can remember how to put this spring back. I'm going to put a picture here, come back and pause it when you install this spring. For this paper ejection roller, we're going to move the bushing arm inside and then tweak it counterclockwise, and this rod can be removed. Now we move to the paper feed rod. At first, we have to find this spring. This spring is the grounding for your APG. And we're going to remove this spring. On the left side, I already removed the screws for the parallelism adjustment. There was a screw there, so just remove it. And I'm going to remove the motor. And we're going to remove this bushing arm. It's just similar to the bushing arm we just removed earlier. You create a gap, then you push upwards, and it'll be released. On the right side, this part never need to be completely taken off. So I just release the bushing. And also I released the paper guide from the back. I have another video about how to install the paper guide. This thing is called the E-ring. If you got a flying out and you cannot find it, go to bchtechnology.com and we have spares there. The best way to remove it is have a flathead screwdriver there and have a dental tool underneath and just pry it apart. Anyway, if you need a E-ring or a bushing, just go to bchtechnology.com. Now without E-ring, you can push the bushing in. Once you get the rod free from the frame, you pull it towards your left, see, and that's going to remove it. Now use your finger to push that disc in and do it gradually, and that disc is going to go inside and separate from the white gear. Now put your hands on the white gear, hold it, and pull to the left. Oh, there you go. And now you can remove the disc. Now use the dental tool, remove the washer. And you got yourself a bushing and springs. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.